remote work, e-commerce, virtual collaboration, cloud computing, there is no doubt that we're living in a highly globalized digital economy, and without digital skills, you cannot survive. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Emmanuel here. I'm excited to have you back on the channel. Today we shall be talking about the top 10 digital skills you can learn in 2022. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our video whenever we release it. Let's dive in straight into the topic. Number one, basic computer skills. Basic computer skills ranges from how to use spreadsheet like Excel, Microsoft Word, a slide like PowerPoint or Google Sheet, Google Doc, how to surf the internet, how to buy things online, and all those related things. They are all classified as basic computer skills. You need basic computer skills to be able to do a whole lot today, and without it, you will not be able to work, not even do business. So basic computer skills is a must, and if you don't have it, you need to learn it in 2022, and make sure you get your hands on it so that you can begin to enjoy this globalized digital economy. Number two, graphics design. Graphics design is a very powerful digital skills that you can use to do a whole lot, from designing flyers to posters to TV commercials to a whole lot. You handle all manner of design, creating all kind of design for various purposes, both business and otherwise. So if you know how to design, you know how to create design, you'll be able to do a whole lot, whether making money for yourself or handling your business. This skill is a must that you need to have. You're going to learn skill like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and the likes. And good enough today, there are also applications that can also do a whole lot online, that you can use something like Canva. If you master that skill, you'll be able to do a whole lot designing various kind of design for businesses and for personal use. So graphic design is a skill you need to have in 2022. Number three, photo editing and video editing. Everybody wants to share lovely photos online. Businesses are looking for who will help them create videos and photos for their online engagement. Individuals are looking for people who can help them edit their photos, edit their videos for their online engagement. Everybody's online. So if you know how to manage photo and video editing, you'll be able to not only make money for yourself, you'll be able to manage your business presence or your personal presence. So having the digital skill of photo editing and video editing will put a lot of power in your hands, because you'll be able to do a whole lot and be able to make a whole lot of money. So this skill is a must in 2022 because it cuts across a whole range of things. If you look at yourself in the last 30 days, I'm sure you have posted a photo online or a video online. But the difference is that what you are posting online may not have been edited. Right? I'm sure you are seeing all those professionally edited photos and videos, and you love them. You want to have something like that. If you master the skill of video and photo editing, you'll be able to do that both for your business and for others, and you'll be able to make money out of it. Number four is social media marketing or social media management. Both of them are intertwined. You manage your market. Marketing has to do with the selling part of it, using social media to sell. Why social media management is talking about managing your social media presence. So you're going to learn both of them, right? You're going to understand how to manage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, how to manage a business profile on those platforms. If you understand how to do that, you also understand how to run adverts on those platforms. How to create Instagram ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads. All these are within social media marketing. If you understand how to do that, this skill will put a lot of money in your pocket. And of course, if you run businesses and you understand how to do this, then you're already on your way to success, because you know what to do, and you don't need to go to anybody to help you do this or help you do that, because you're even struggling as a new business. You don't have all the money to spend. Okay, so mastering the skill of social media will put a lot of power in your hands and help you be able to do a whole lot in this digital economy. Number 5 is content marketing. There's a saying that content is king. That means without content, you cannot do much. Your online presence can only be exciting when there is content. Your website needs content. Your social media platforms need content. And without content, you are just online. I'm sure you have seen pages that when you get there, you can't find any content. Do you want to stay there? No. If you go to a YouTube channel and there's no content there, would you want to stay there? No. You are watching this video now because we have also taken time to create the content. So content is king, and you must master the art of content creation. So mastering content marketing is that you know how to create content across platforms, across businesses. You understand what works for this business and what works for the other business. You understand how to put content on Instagram and how to put it on Facebook and how to put it on LinkedIn. There are different platforms. So mastering the art of content marketing will also empower you, right? These skills I'm listing for you, they are skills that you can use to create a lot of wealth for yourself and also be able to manage your business. Let's say you're a small business owner, right? So learning this skill in 2022 will put a lot of power in you, and you'll be able to survive, in this digital world. So content marketing is a skill you need to master. Because without content, your online engagement will be a total waste of time. All right? Number 6 is data analytics. There's a lot of data flowing online. If you go to your website, people visit your website every day from different sources. The question is, how do you know where they are coming from? How do you know their intent, what they came to your website to do? When they come to your website and they spend 2 seconds and they are out, how do you analyze those things? Right? Analytics will give you all the information you need, telling you this is where they are coming from. This is how long they spent on your website. This is the content they consumed. With those information, you'll be able to analyze them and know what to do next. Is there anything to optimize? Is there anything you need to touch to be able to make it better? Give them more better experience when they land the next time. Data analytics will help you do that. Then how do you analyze all this data flowing on your social media? The likes, the share, the comments. The platform gives you all those information, but you must understand how to analyze them and make business sense out of them. How is it going to lead to bottom line? How is it going to increase sales, increase profit for you? There's what we call veil metrics in digital marketing. That means you are getting a lot of likes, a lot of followers, but it doesn't translate to money for your business. That's veil metrics. You are just getting those things, but it doesn't add anything to the business. So if you are getting a lot of likes and comments and shares and it doesn't add to your business, that means you need to analyze your data and understand what exactly are you not doing correctly. So the skill of data analytics will put a lot of power in you. You'll be able to help businesses analyze their data. You'll be able to analyze data for your own business. Let's say you're a small business owner. But learning this skill will, empower you to be able to function in this digital economy and help a lot of businesses. And of course, when you solve problems, when you create value, money will enter your pocket. So guys, content marketing is a skill you need to learn in 2022. Number 7, digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is selling through digital platforms, using digital channels to reach your targeted audience and make them to buy what you are selling, whether it's a product or a service. This is one of the most powerful digital skills you can learn in 2022. This skill is something that when you master it, you'll be able to do a lot. If you're a business owner, you need this skill. If you want to change career, you need this skill. If you want to play in this digital ecosystem, digital marketing is a skill you must master. It will help you manage the entire online presence of a business, right? Helping a business to reach their targeted audience. Getting those targeted audience to move from just passive, people who are just passively interested in their product, to leads, people who are actively interested. Then from leads to customers, and from customers to repeat customers. Because actually, digital marketing is actually a system. It's a system of moving customers from the point of leads to customers to repeat customers to advocate. So digital marketing ensures that you are constantly in front of those who are interested in your business, and you are getting them to buy from you. So those whole process is managed by a digital marketer. Running adverts online, creating campaigns, managing the email marketing, managing the entire process. All of them are under digital marketing, but of course they are broken down. But if you understand the entire digital marketing ecosystem, you'll be able to do a whole lot. All right. So number 8 is email marketing. So email marketing is simply selling through email, using email to promote your product or service. If you master the skill of email marketing, you'll be able to use email to sell. Email is one of the most powerful digital marketing platform to sell. Is a channel of digital marketing. Okay, I'm sure you have read an email today in your inbox. No matter how busy you are, there are some emails you must read. I'm sure you have received some email that made you laugh, some email that made you think. These are the power of email marketers. They craft this message, they direct it at a particular prospect or lead or customers, depending on what they want to achieve. So those emails, how to craft them, how to use the platform like MailChimp, Sendinblue, SendPulse, and so many other platforms like that. Understanding how to use them to automate your email. Somebody comes to your website, he fills a form, and after filling the form, he gets an email, right? You run adverts, somebody fills in your form, as the person download a particular product from that advert, the person gets an email. All those processes are managed by email marketers. And if you understand how to do it, you're going to be able to do a whole lot. And of course, the most important thing is that it will put money in your pocket. It will enhance your business. If you're a business owner, you now know how better to communicate with your customers. All right. Number 9 is coding and web development. Today, everything we do has to do with application. All the things you are using on your phones, they are all applications. And the background, the foundation of all those things is coding, programming. Somebody coded those things. Somebody programmed them to be able to function the way they are functioning. So if you understand how to code, how to program, you'll be able to do a lot. You'll be able to develop websites from ground up. You'll be able to create applications, mobile applications, tailor-made applications for organizations. And it cuts across industries. It's not tied to any particular place. You can use it in the health sector, can use it in real estate, can use it in education. Several places, coders are needed everywhere. In fact, the report is that the number of programmers that are needed, what we have is not enough. So that's why programmers earn a lot of salary, because very few persons go into that field, because it takes time. The incubation period is very long. To learn the skill, it takes a whole lot, right? But it's a skill that when you master it, you have a lot of power in your hand. You can do a whole lot. So guys, this is number 9. And finally, number 10 is animation. Creating animation for movies, for special projects, 3D, 4D, 5D animations. Understanding how to do it will put a lot of power in your hands. There are people who want to create online videos, they prefer it in animation. Somebody have to create it. There are movies that are being made today, people prefer animation, somebody have to make it. There are custom projects that people run, what they want is animation, maybe to teach some students some kind of values, maybe in religious circle. Animation works both for children and for adults. So it's not even tied to children alone. So if you understand how to create animation, you're going to have a lot of power in your hand and you'll be able to do a whole lot. So guys, these are the 10 digital skills you should be learning in 2022. Check the list and see which one you already got and which one you need to learn. But the most important thing is that you need to learn as many skills as possible, because in the global digital economy, the skill you have is your power. Gone are the days when people look at your certificates. Nobody's interested again. People are only interested now in what you can do. So what can you do? What skill do you have? What problem can you solve? If you can solve problem, you never lack money. All right? So these are the 10 digital skills you should be learning in 2022. As usual, I'm sure you've gotten value from this video. And if you have, you know what to do. Click on the subscribe button, like and share the video, and of course, comment if you need us to answer any question or you need to let us know anything. I'll be glad to reply your message. Till I come your way again, this is Emmanuel saying, I'll see you again in the next video.